Good morning, everyone. Today I, Nishant Singh, I will be giving a lecture on the topic that is modernization in Indian Armed Forces. First of all, let me tell you what is modernization. Modernization, it means increasing or improving the efficiency of battle soldiers, battle tanks, battle artillery guns, and various other equipments that Indian Armed Forces use. Talking about why is modernization important. There can be various reasons, but according to me, modernization is important because first of all, India it is having two adversaries, that is China and Pakistan. And China's military it is quite very strong, so we need quite good quality of soldiers so that we can counter it. Second is that recently we have seen in Azerbaijan and Armenian clashes that the military that was not quite strong, it was weak, won in the end because it was having quite a very efficient technology. So, talking about the things that Indian Armed Forces have done to modernize the Indian Armed Forces. First is that in the coming decades there will be integrated battle commands. It is same as the tri-service command that we are having in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and also the strategic command, which in which there will be all the three forces of Indian Armed Forces. So it is going to increase the interoperability and cooperation between both the three arms of Indian Armed Forces. Second is that integrated battle groups will be there, and the tests are still being conducted in the Durgapura district of West Bengal. So in this integrated battle group, there will be all the arms that are present in Indian Army. For an example, I would like to give you that in one integrated battle group, there will be an artillery regiment, there will be a medical regiment, there will be ordnance signal, and also there will be infantry regiments too. So we can see that integrated battle groups, it is a small type of army which can fight with any other battalion. So I think that by this we are improving the efficiency of the soldiers. Third is that as recently Agnipath scheme has been launched. So by Agnipath scheme we are improving the quality of soldiers that we are having. We are not focusing on quantity this time. Fourth, it is that we are modernizing our equipments that we are right now having with ourselves. As we are seeing that AK-203 will be manufactured in India only, and also various other fighter planes, that is AMCA, and also artillery gun that are still under construction in Indian defense research companies and also DRDO. So we can see that most of the equipments that Indian Armed Forces they will be using in the coming decades, they will be from India only. So these are the four things that Indian Armed Forces are right now doing to modernize their forces, and I think that in the coming years too, they will be focusing, and also more new laws will be implemented, by which I think that Indian Army and Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, they will be modernized. So that is all. Thank you.